I really enjoyed your web quest. I thought it was fantastic because in this introduction, I thought it was just going to be super engaging for the students that had to complete this. Um, it would get them excited and they would know what they were going to do just from the introduction. The task I thought was good because you really laid out like what they were going to be doing, but didn't overwhelm them. And in this process, I thought that it was good because you wrote down everything and you gave them so many resources that they can look at. So that was great. And then your evaluation, I thought it was good. They know how they're going to be graded. I can't get to this, but I assume it's your Blackboard. But they know how they're going to be graded, which is really great. The conclusion I think is good. You really sum up what the web quest is about, so great. And your teacher page, I thought you did a great job of just showing why you made this and what it was about.